Hi, I'm Rhonda Dracoulis with RK3 Designs, Stone Coat Countertop's largest U.S. distributor of their product. Today, I'm super excited to be able to bring to you guys a finish using the brand new Speedcure. The Speedcure is going to really help those of us that really want to get a countertop out quick. You're looking at about 20 hours that we're able to shave off the pouring process. So Speedcure is still a one-to-one product. It has almost as much UV protection as our Stone Coat Countertop Art Coat. It's got a shorter working time of about 30 minutes. So it's gonna enable you to really get these projects done quickly. The cure time is amazing. 4 hours, we're able to sand and apply our next coat. So smaller projects, vanities, tables, this is the perfect product. Larger items, you're really gonna have to be quick, have everything ready to go, and have a very simple design. This product is not meant for really intricate designs on large surfaces. Smaller surfaces, they're fine. You can really have some fun because the product will allow you to create designs that don't move. So we're really able to create some distinct finishes. Check out our website, RK3 Designs, and our YouTube channel to see some really cool, smaller type of these projects. This product was designed for the experienced DIYer or the contractor that needs to get in and out on a job site quickly. We really do recommend that when you start using this, that you are confident in your ability to pour epoxy and that you've done some sample boards. So this product can be poured over any substrate once it's been properly prepped. Today, we're gonna go over MDF, which our students in our hands-on classes made this for us to work on today. Guys, if you are a hands-on learner, check out our website, rk3designs.com, where we have a schedule of a class that will fit your needs. We have our beginner classes all the way up to our master class. Whether you're a beginner, a seasoned pro, or working with our flooring product. So check out our website for our full schedule. For today, we're doing a 15 square foot countertop, which is going to borderline on about as big a countertop as I would want to tackle myself. We're going to be using two colors, very simple melding process. You'll see just how fast, just how easy it is to create a stunning countertop in no time at all. All of these products in this project can be found on my website, rk3designs.com, where we offer free shipping on all orders over $100 and same-day shipping if you order before noon Central Time. All right, I have a little bit left from my bucket. Heat it up just a bit. I'm going to use it as a skim coat. I'm using a squeegee from the dollar store. You could use a Bondo spreader. You could use a magic trowel. This step is not mandatory, but I do recommend it, especially for your bigger areas, to help your epoxy really flow. All right, we'll start off with our black. Randomly pour it on the surface, and then I'm going to dump it out, let the product sit there. That way we're ensuring that we're going to get all that product out of the bucket. All right, here we go with our silver. Just going to kind of randomly pour that out as well. Kind of going in and filling in my bare spots. So notice how I got that product out of the bucket quickly. By leaving it in a bucket too long, you're going to lose your working time. All right, so we're going to torch it very quickly. Take our squeegee, and now comes the fun part. Very lightly meld, and you don't want to over meld this process. Just barely skip trowel over. Make sure you're bringing product to your edge. If you over meld, you're going to end up getting just one color, and we're working for contrast here. The more you swipe one area, the busier your countertop is going to be. So if you want a very soft, smooth finish with not too much contrast, then you're just going to swipe a couple of times on each area. You don't want to do too much. Because this is a thicker product and we do have a little shorter open time, you get some amazing edges. But it's super important that you pre-wet those edges so that the product can roll over very smoothly. So guys, you can see I'm by myself. This is about 15 square feet and I had plenty of working time, but I made sure to set myself up for success by having everything ready to go before I started mixing my product. So these are the types of designs that I was talking to you about. They're simple, they're quick. We did this in less than 5 minutes. Smaller pieces, you can get a little more intricate. Pieces like this, you're going to want to be a little quicker, but this is outstanding. I absolutely love this. 2 colors, a squeegee, 5 minutes, and look what we did. So for the next 20 minutes or so, as the product is starting to cure, I want to do a few things. One, I want to mine my edges. I can run a stick up underneath those edges, take care of any of my drips. Also, I want to be very careful not to add too much heat. If I keep torching it, it's going to make the epoxy very fluid and we're going to get runs. Especially on our edges, it'll make it really, really thin, so be very careful when you use that heat. All right, guys, so another option to using heat, especially after your product is already put on the table, is a new product that we carry on our website, RK3Designs.com, called Fusion Relax. It is an amazing product. It provides a very, very light mist, which pops all of your bubbles with no heat. Therefore, it doesn't reactivate the epoxy back to a more fluid state by heating it up. All right, guys, this could be a finish all on its own. But if you've watched our videos, you know that Mitch and I both love to push our finishes to the very edge. So we're going to take one more step. We're going to hit it with 91% isopropyl alcohol, and let's see what it does. So let me know in the comments below, would you leave it like this, or would you hit it with some ISO? Let's see. So I'm going to come in first with some bigger drops, what we lovingly call the Italian drip. So then I'm going to come over and do a little bit finer mist over the top. And again, we're going to allow the epoxy to do its thing. But I absolutely love what isopropyl alcohol does to mica powders. Gives it such a cool effect. Because this product sets up quicker, you don't have to wait as long to do your isopropyl alcohol. In many of our other videos, we talk about doing this same technique, but waiting 20 to 30 minutes and allowing our epoxy to set up. We didn't have to do that on this. A good 10 minutes and we were ready to go. If you wait too long, the product's going to be too set up and you're not going to get that reaction that you're looking for. All right, guys, it's been less than 30 minutes and our drips have almost but quit. So what I suggest, get you a stick, drag along the bottom. Now the cool thing is, I'll probably only have to do that one more time in about 20 minutes. All right, guys, what do you think about the new Stone Coat Countertop Speedcure? I absolutely think it's one of my very favorite products. So for more information, guidance on how to use the product, check out stonecoatcountertop.com on their product page. So guys, let me know in the comments below, what's going to be your first project with the new Speedcure? And for my RK3 Design followers, remember, don't be scared. Move forward and be creative. And for your Stone Coat Countertop followers, you got this. We'll see you in the next video.